Okay, hello and welcome to my first C++ tutorial. And firstly, I'll teach you on how to create a project. So we'll open CodeBlocks. This is the software we'll be using to create our programs in. And we need to create a new project. So we first go to project here. And then we select empty project, and then we give our project a title, so we'll just say first project, and then you can leave everything else the same. That'll just give directories to where it will be saved, and this is all fine. It's to do with the compiler, that's alright. Then finish. And then what we need to do next is we need to open a new file. So we've opened it, and then we need to save it straight away. So go here and let's say first program, and then we need to end it by .cpp, which just makes the file a C++ program, and then save. That's fine. Okay, and the first line of code we need to do is hashtag include iostream. And what this line of code does is that iostream is a part of the C++ standard library, and what this allows us to do is it allows us to use code from this library, the iostream library, and it specifically allows us to get input from the keyboard and also allows us to output text to the user. So yeah, that's fine. And then the next line of code is using namespace std, and this simply allows us to save space in our program. It's fairly simple, but as we go along it will make more sense to everyone. So yeah, the next line of code, int main, followed by 2 brackets, and this is the body of the function. The main function is where the program execution actually starts. Every program needs a main function. So moving on, we will need a curly bracket, and you'll see that CodeBlocks automatically ends the block of code with another curly bracket automatically. So yeah, in between this, in the block of code, we can write cout, and then 2 of these arrows, and then hello world. And then after we do the same arrows again, and then we write end L. Okay, and what this line of code is that this cout here this stands for character output stream, and this gives us the ability to display characters to the user, and this on the right of the arrows is what we want to display to the user. So, and what these 2 arrows do is they are called insertion operations, and it is sending the text from the right hand side of the arrows to the left, what's on the left hand side, which will send that text and display it to the user. And last but not least, we need a return 0. And what this line, oh no, sorry, I just forgot. And this end L, this basically ends the line. It just creates a new line after this has been displayed. And return 0 refers to the int main here at the start, and it just gives us an indication that the program run successfully. So yeah, so we're all done. Okay, and what you notice is that in all the lines of code they end in a semicolon. So just to remind you that in C++ you need to always remember to have a semicolon at the end of every line of code, just so there's no errors in debugging. So yeah. So now we can save this and then run and then build it and see if we have no errors, so we can run it. And we can see here that the program ran successfully. And referring to the return 0, we can see that here the program said that return 0, so the program ran successfully. So yeah, there we go. And that is the end of my first tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.